When the test is completed, it is possible to view the results by pressing the down button on the Corti. Only the most recent right and left tests are available for viewing. The Corti is compatible with 3 software solutions from GSI: GSI Suite, GSI Data Manager, and GSI AutoPrint. GSI Suite allows for combining OAE test results with audiometric test data. To transfer data to GSI Suite, select the OAE tab, connect the Corti to the computer with a micro USB cable or by using the optional cradle, ensure that the power is on, and when the display screen says "Waiting on PC," press the batch button on the GSI Suite software. This will transfer all of the test results that are saved in the Corti and place them into an Assigned Tests window. From Assigned Tests, you may drag and drop the results into the appropriate patient record. GSI Data Manager is a basic database software that allows you to manage OAE data and is useful for newborn hearing screening programs. Demographic data and other patient details may be entered into the Data Manager software for tracking and reporting. It is very common for a facility to use Data Manager to create patient lists that are transferred onto the Corti for testing and then uploaded the results for organization and reporting. GSI AutoPrint software application is used for printing purposes only and can be used instead of Data Manager. AutoPrint can be configured to print to PDF, print to a facility printer, or print to a label printer. When the Corti is connected to the PC, AutoPrint will automatically print all tests held in the memory. Many users purchase the mini wireless printer with their GSI Corti. The printer should arrive already paired to the Corti. To print OAE test results, press the up button. If paired, Connect to PRT should appear on the display. Press the L or R buttons to print all of the tests stored in the Corti. Whether you use the database of GSI Suite or Data Manager, utilize AutoPrint, or print to the mini printer, all tests results on the Corti will be deleted when the next test is started.